Alright, almost 9 p.m. na, Mabsat. Good evening. Mega love shoutout. Ito, nagkabistuhan na, Mabsat, no? Ano ba nangyari, maestro, no? Today. Diba? So, tingnan natin, Mabsat. Tandaan muna natin ito, Mabsat. Nako po, nagsisiiyakan sila. Sino itong mga nag-iiyakang ito, Mabsat? Oh, ito muna, 27. Really? May sinasabi si Amy Marcos. Ano sinasabi niya?
Supported po.
Well, talaga?
Sabi niya po today, are you going to support it po?
Well, definitely, pag-uusapan ng maigi. There's so many options and so many malabo. Kaya gusto natin yung pinaka-sang-ayon sa batas at yung mabilis din kasi.
Sabi dito, guys, sabi dito ni Amy Marcos. Amy Marcos, she is inviting Senate President Cheese Escudero to hold a caucus on the impeachment. Magtawag na daw ng caucus para pag-usapan na. Dapat nang pag-usapang maigi ang inaanyayahan ko si SP. Mag-caucus na kami at maraming nalalabuan, maraming opinion. Malabo kasi kayo eh. Diba? Oh, ito, yung umamin, Mamsat.
Po ni Senator Jinggoy na meron siyang printed na draft copy. Kayo po, may namin.
Galing yun. Galing siya kapis.
Nagsama yung dalawa, mga kakabsat. Agoy. Tuloy.
Kayo po yung nag-initiate. Bakit po? Ano?
Tingnan mo yung ngiti niya, no? Ngiting Judas eh.
Ano po
Kayo bang nag-initiate? Ganun lang. Kayo ba nag-initiate? Ganun lang eh.
Basahin na lang yung resolution. You
Basahin lang.
understand everything. Basahin niyo yung resolution. That's very self-explanatory. Ayun, mabasa niyo ito. Kung ano yung sinasabi doon, yun ang sa loobin ko.
Sir, pwede po bang draft resolution mag-decide doon sa impeachment case? Kahit hindi na mag-trial?
Nakita naman yung anong rason pinaglalagay doon. Basahin niyo yung whereas with us. Whereas. Nandun lang lahat. Intindihin na lang yun.
Sir, kayo nag-initiate kayo mismo o kasamahan ninyo?
Tinatanong siya kung kinausap daw niya yung mga kasamahan niya, kayo cheat niyan. Tingnan niyo yung ngiti. Ngiting ko, ano? Sige, play. Ay, pistado ka ba to? Huwag ka nang... Ayaw mong kumanta, ha?
Penta pa naman. Nakonsulta.
Wait lang, nakikita niyo ba yung expression niya? O masyadong maliit yan? Lakihan natin, ha? Okay, we go.
Tapos, may nakuha na po ba kayo kung ilan ng susuporta?
May nahikayat na ba kayong mga kwan dyan, kasama nyo na papanig sa ginawa nyong resolution?
Lumaya na pag
Nako po, yung ganyang klaseng ngiti, baka mamaya iyak-iyak ka pag nandiyan na yung ICC, di ba? Anong sabi ni General Torre? Naghahanda na ang PNP kung dumating na yung warrant of arrest galing sa ICC. Hindi nila sasantuin itong si Bato, mga kabsat. Alright? Nakakapaw.
Sizable na yung number na sumuporta.
So far po, as we speak, mga ilan na?
Ayaw niya sabihin kung ilan nang sasuporta sa kanya. Oh.
Draft. Kaya pinababasa ko sa kanila yung draft.
Ipa-file niyo po.
Titingnan ko, i-evaluate ko pa. Kasi yung iba, mayroong na namang ibang draft yung iba. Yung iba mga kasama namin, may mga ibang draft.
Agoy, Bato. Tingnan nga natin yung draft niya. Silipin natin yung draft niya, guys, ha. Silipin natin. Ito yung draft niya, Mabsat. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Ano sabi dito sa draft niya? Teka lang, ha. Hindi ko nakikita. Ba't di lumalabas sa cellphone ko yung pinapakita ko? Hindi ba nakikita? Ayan, nakikita pala. Delayed lang. Tingnan nga natin ito, Mabsat. Ito ang problema. Resolution number introduced by senators. Ibig sabihin, marami sila, no? Pero inamin naman na niya. Resolution declaring de facto dismissal. Draft pa lang to, Mabsat, no? So, hindi pa siya final. Dismissal of impeachment case against the Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte by operations of the 1987 Constitution. Whereas, on February 5, 215 members of the House Representatives signed an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte Duterte, which constitute the article of impeachment against her. Whereas, whereas the House Secretary General officially transmitted and endorsed the articles of impeachment of the Senate Secretary in the afternoon of February 5. Kasi nga, umaga pa lang, pan na yan. Ano yun? Umaga pa lang ng February 5, umuugong-ugong na. Naghi-hearing sila doon, di ba? Nagse-session sila. Imposibleng hindi walang isang senador out of the 23 senators, walang nakakaalam na nag-file na. Balitang-balita, alam niyo naman pag 'di ba? Pag may hearing sila, ngayon, no, merong pino-post ito, 'di ba? So nalalaman nila kagad yung mga update, pero yung hindi sila kumilos dito. So, however, the articles of impeachment were not presented in the Senate plenary on the day because the same day had to undergo the necessary staff work prior to its inclusion of the plenary agenda. Dali. Natatakpan pala, sorry. Tanggalin ko lang yung banner natin. Natatakpan. Yan, para mabasa nyo. Okay. Next. Whereas, on the same day, the Senate adjourned in its session in accordance with the legislative calendar embodied in the Senate Concurrent Resolution number 20. Because of the timing of the transmittal of the articles of impeachment, the Senate was unable to constitute itself to impeachment court despite of the lapse of more than 100 days since the transmittal of such articles. Whereas Article 11, Section 3, ito yung lagi binabanggit, the Constitution clearly provides the Senate shall have the sole power. Yung Senado ang may kapangyarihan. Walang magagawa ang Supreme Court. Walang magagawa si Presidente kasi separation of powers to try and to decide all access of impeachment. When sitting for the purpose, the senator shall be on oath of affirmation. When the President of the Philippines is on trial, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court shall preside but shall not vote. A decision of conviction requires the concurrence of 2/3 of the members of the Senate. The trial shall forthwith, hinighlight pa talaga ng kapisina ni Bato, no? The trial shall forthwith proceed after the articles of impeachment have been transmitted to the Senate. Kaso hindi nyo ginawa, di ba? Hindi nyo ginawa yung shall forthwith. Di ba? Walang kumontra sa inyo. Whereas, ito pa, ini-explain pa, the word forthwith is not a suggestion but a constitutional command which connotes immediacy, a delayed in fulfillment of shall command clearly depart from this requirement and place at jeopardy the right to respondent, particularly the constitutional right of the speedy disposition of cases. Di ba? Kailangan mabilisan, hindi pinapatagal. Whereas, Article 3, Section 16, a constitutional further guarantees all persons to have the right to a speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, and administrative bodies. Di ba? Kinakuan pa ito yung kay Sara, mahabsat. Di ba? Kailangan speedy yung kanyang trial para malaman kagad kung guilty ba siya or what. Kaso walang ginawa. Whereas discussing the constitutional right to speedy disposition of the cases, the Supreme Court in the case of Chinko and Andutan said, the right of speedy disposition of cases under Article 3, Section 16 of the Constitution provides the broadest scope of the protection relative to the right of speedy trial under Article 3 of Section 14 and the right of the guarantee to have the case resolved within a specific period under Article 8 of Section 15 on the Constitution may be involved by any citizens before, during, and after trial before any judicial, quasi-judicial, and administrative bodies. The Bill of Rights provisions of the 1987 Constitutions were precisely crafted to expand substantive fair trial right and to protect citizens from procedural mechanization, which tend to nullify those rights. Moreover, Section 16, Article 3 of the Constitution extend the right to a speedy disposition to the case or cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, and administrative bodies. This protection extends to all citizens, including those in military, and to cover the period and before and during after the trial, affording broader protection of than Section 14, which guarantees merely the right to speedy trial. Yun naman ang gusto ni Sarah, di ba? Mabilisan, kaso wala, iniiwasan lang. It is true that the rule did not specifically provide the violation of the right of the speedy disposition of the case of the ground for dismissal of a case, unlike right to speedy trial under Rule number 119, Section 9. Nonetheless, this does not prevent the court from dismissing cases upon a finding of violations of the right to a speedy disposition of cases as shown in Tatad versus Sandigang Bayan. Whereas, the lapses of more than 100 days since the transmittal of the article impeachment without any corresponding action of the part of the Senate as an impeachment court is further aggravated by the fact that the 19th Congress is in its third regular session, which is set to adjourn since mamamatay daw sila. Mamamatay yung session sa June 13. Few days now from June 2. So nung June 2 pala to. Gumawa na sila ng draft. June 2 pa lang. Anong petsa ngayon? June 4. So 2 days ago pa pala to, mga kabsat. Nako po. Whereas the own rules of the Senate also prohibit the crossover of the impeachment proceedings to the next Congress. Rule, paano to? XLIV, Section 123 of the Senate Rules unequivocally provides that all pending matters and proceedings shall terminate upon the expirations of one Congress, but may be taken by a succeeding Congress presented for the first time. Oo, tinetechnical nila, mabsat, no? Whereas ruling of the Supreme Court in the case of 2008 case of Neri versus Senate affirms that the position of the impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara cannot cross over to the 20th Congress when it was held. Thus, nakatuloy niyan, ito na. Whereas the ruling of the Supreme Court in 2008 versus Neri affirms that position of the impeachment proceedings against Vice President Duterte cannot cross over to the 20th Congress when it was held. Thus, on the nature of Senate continuing body, this court sees fit to issue a clarification. Certainly, there is no debate that the Senate as an institution is continuing. Walang debate, kaso di nyo naman ginawa. As it is not dissolved as an entity with a national election or change in the composition of its member. However, in the conduct of its day-to-day business, the Senate of each Congress act separately and independently of the Senate of the Congress before it. The presentation of the articles of impeachment to the Senate plenary is scheduled June 11 or more 2 days before the sine die adjournment of the 19th Congress on June 13. Whereas this leaves the current Congress with no sufficient time to fully deliberate and resolve the articles of impeachment as a matter cannot cross over to the incoming. Pinagpipilitan talaga nila, hindi daw pwede mag-cross over di ba? Pero nakalagay naman dito na continuing body, di ba? The court clarification, certainly there is no doubt or no debate, walang debate that the Senate is an institution of continuing. Dire-diretso, wala talagang kanya dito sa Congress. Nako, pinagluloko tayo ng mga to mga no? Which will convene on the 4th Monday of July 2025. Really? Ano yung last part? Ito na yung last. The consistent with the foregoing the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara must necessarily be deemed de facto dismissed. Ayan. De facto, di-dismiss na daw nila by virtue of the inability of the Senate to properly consider the same because of the timing of transmittal thereof. Yun na nga, di ba? I-transmit ng February 5, hindi naman kayo kumilos. Walang nagsalita sa inyo, di ba? Kasi nga may kinakatakutan kayo. Ganun lang yun. Kinakatakutan nyo, mabisto lahat ng mga pinagsasabi ni Trillanes, pinagsasabi ng mga mga PSA na mga peking pangalan, bistado eh, di ba? Eh hanggang ngayon nga, di ba, may mga may mga kasama tayo na nagde-deposit doon sa mga nilabas ni Trillanes na bank account, tinatanggap, meaning active. Di ba? Ng kamote. Now, therefore, it is resolved that is hereby resolved that the Senate declare de facto dismissal of the impeachment case against Vice President Guillermo Duterte to operation of the 1987 Constitution. Well, tingnan natin, no? Kasi hindi pa naman to draft pa lang to, Mabsat, at inamin na ni Bato na siya sa opisina niya nang galing yan. So, nako po, lumabas ang totoong kulay, mga Mabsat. 'Di ba? Nako po, magsisiiyakan yan kapag ayan na, kapag taong bayan na ang sumigaw-sigaw dyan. Alam niyo na kung ano mangyari. Maglingkod sa bayan, hindi sa isang pamilya. Huwag pairalin ang pansariling interes. EDSA 3, para tuldukan ang pinangloko ng mga senado sa taong bayan, sabi ni Eva. Bato, maghintay ka lang. Malapit na magkasama ni yun nga. Diba? Sinabi na nga ni General Torre, no? Naghahanda na ang PNP sa warrant of arrest ni Bato. So, hindi sila hindi mapipigilan yan. Nice, grabe ka na kawalang hiyaan na ginagawa ng mga bobong senador na anib kila Amy Bato, Bongo, Camille, Jinggoy. Sabi ni Mami PR. Mga senador na yan na mga bayaran, yata nito din kulay green na din. Excuse me. Dinalaw ka ni Mary Grace Piatos, SM. Sabi ang Liberty. Guys, mag-like. Oh, guys, baka naman, no? Sa mga di pa nagla-like dyan. O, sa naiwang 215, baka naman. Like po tayo. Next topic tayo, Mabsat. Siyempre, countdown muna tayo, mga kakabsat. Salamat. Countdown muna tayo.